anybody work at an airport sushi restaurant? I mean, I relinquish my time.
Wow. The hardest I've laughed all night. The long-awaited return of the Force of 6th Street. Timmy, no brakes. All gas, no brakes. This guy left a dinosaur paw print size footprint on the show the last time he was on. Hard in the paint. Some people said the next big thing. Famously handed off his joke book to the man in the front row, whoever it was. And tonight, threw his sunglasses at a person in the front row. It's becoming...
Give him back.
Timmy motherfucking No Brakes has arrived back to the Kill Tony universe. Timmy, how we doing?
We're good. I'm a little disappointed, to be honest. I told you I want Dan Cook. No offense. I mean, you know, but fucking...
You wanted him on the panel next time you were on, is that what you said?
Yeah, I hit you up with some requests. I said a bucket of MHLs. I said Dan Cook, and, you know, none of them are his, so I don't know what the fucking...
I tried my best to get him. Wasn't easy. We have to settle for Chris O'Connor and Ryan O'Neal tonight.
You're Ryan O'Neal?
Yeah.
It's for you. You just got served, bitch. Got your ass. Open it up. Yeah, why don't you show everybody what that is, bitch? Why don't you show everybody what that is? That's a picture of my niece's volleyball team. Oh, roast this man!
Wow. All gas, no brakes, indeed. The people's champ of Kill Tony.
The people's golden ticket winner, bitch.
That's right. The people's golden ticket winner. I'm going to pretend like you didn't call me a bitch right there. Because I like you. We're going to keep it that way.
No disrespect. I respect what you're doing. I love you, Tony.
Thank you, Timmy. I love you, too. So tell us, what does Timmy No Brakes do when he's not on stage?
Yeah, I mean, well, I recently got in some trouble. I went to play laser tag and brought a real gun. That was not good. Can I just say something? Guys, when I hit a punch, give me some fucking trumpet. I mean, what's going on? Not yet.